Imagine sun shining, pink clouds in the sky, and everything is right. Imagine stars lighting up the night, and a shooting star so vibrant. You have to make a wish. Nothing's ever in your...
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm 𝘿𝙤𝙣𝙩𝙗𝙧. I hope you're all doing amazing. Stick around because I have the most incredible wig installed, and not to mention she's glueless and she's giving frontal, she's giving what hairline, what lace, what wig. Every time I get a new wig from RPGSHOW, I know it's going to be absolutely gorgeous, and this one is no exception. This wig makes you want to do things. It makes you want to go out. It makes you want to film content. It makes you want to be seen. I'm just modeling it. The moment is the wig. What wig do I have installed? 10x6 Maxipart glueless wig. It also has a drawstring. It has a strap as well in the inside. It is worn 100% glueless. Glueless and look this good doesn't exist besides here. I've tried hundreds of wigs and they don't compare. The length that I have installed today is the 20-inch, and baby, she's giving long. This is in the silky texture. The lace does come slightly tinted. When you put her on, it blends into your skin invisibly because of that tint. Make sure that you get one that's the perfect tint for you. My tint color is light brown.
No, you've never heard of pain because you're just high on life. Every day is Saturday. Life is sweet as birthday cake. Why can't it just stay this way? Like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, nothing but blue skies, a totally peaceful mind. Never need a second try. No, you get it right the very first time. It could be the best of days, it could be the best of times. Why do we need the troubles? Why? Why do we need the troubles? Why? Nothing's ever in your way. Scoring every shot you
Look at her in all her glory. 10x6 Maxipart wig. Look how much parting space there is on this lace. Flip it over. Secure the comb, because we can wear this wig gluelessly, and I believe that I'm gonna do that today. I'm gonna go in with my scissors and cut off the extra lace. It is like the perfect shade for my skin tone. Giving invisible. It's so beautiful, even the curls. It is a max part, so that means you can part it over here. You got some lace. How far does it go? Over here, it's got some lace. Like, do you see that? Wow. You can't tell that this is a wig, baby. Like, this is not giving wig. It's not at all giving wig. And the curls are curled so beautifully. Like, you really don't need to do anything else, right? If you want your hair to look more natural here, just pull some of your own hair out. Right there, your sideburns. That's what I like to do when I'm wearing these wigs, and blend it in. This is how she's looking, you guys. Oh my goodness, this is literally what my dreams are made of, okay? It doesn't look like a wig, even though it's still glueless. Like, it's giving, it's growing from your scalp, baby. Get into it. Like, So before I go, I'm definitely gonna do a couple styles and show you guys, but this is what she's giving, and I wanted to share with you the fact that you can put her on and just go. It has the perfect amount of hair. It's full, it's thick, it's just so pretty.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone.
Absolutely stunning. I love the blonde piece right here. I love wigs that have like the natural black root going into light brown. It's so flattering. I wanted to show you guys it in its natural state. I didn't put any products in it, literally nothing. And like I said, she's 100% glueless and she fits so nice. Pre-plucked. You can get this wig pre-cut as well, so if you don't want to cut the lace and you want the professionals to do it for you, girl, they can do all of that for you. The density that I have is 180%. I would say this is the perfect density. When you have a highlighted wig, it tends to be dry and crispy and not hold a curl. I've been running my hands through this all day and it actually is holding a curl and the curls are still there. It is worth the investment every single time. 𝘿𝙤𝙣𝙩𝙗𝙦 is where it's at. This is the perfect highlighted wig. Absolutely beautiful. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna link this wig in the description box for you if you want to check it out. Definitely recommend. Of course, it is 𝘼𝙤𝙣𝙘 approved. If you didn't know, now you know. Go get one for you and every single person that you love and hold dear. Don't forget to use your special discount code 𝘾𝙤𝙣. You're gonna save $100. That's amazing. Bye, y'all.